안녕하세요. Hi everyone. So far we have studied the irregular adjectives and adjective verbs 지만 and we also study adjective verb 씁니다입니다 which belongs to the formal and this time I'm going to introduce you adjective verb 고. Can you see in this picture? There is a Christine and there is a Jane. They are talking each other about the cosmetic. They want to explain about the cosmetic A and B, like more sentences. Let's learn more about the adjective verb 고. Can you see here? It's the same as the verb 고 we learned in chapter 5. You can also use it with adjectives in the same way. So we have actually studied already in chapter 5 verb 고 and adjective verb 고. The conjugation is the same. Adjective verb 고, we can use two sentences into one sentence, right? Actually, we can make more longer sentence than simple sentence. But I want to give you some advice. Can you see here? When you speak Korean, speaking long sentences doesn't necessarily mean you are good at it. Sometimes dividing sentences and speaking concisely and clearly can be more helpful. This is what I want to say. When you make a Korean sentence, short and more clear is better than long but complicated. So please focus on basic sentence, the right sentence first. And there is more. Can you see here? When you read long text later on, the first thing to do is split long sentences into smaller parts. Finding adjective 고 and adjective verb 지만 can help you understand better. So far, so good. You're studying A1 level, but when you study A2 level, the sentences become more longer, very long. So at the moment, if you want to understand more easily, you can find adjective verb 고 or adjective verb 지만 in the sentence, and then you can split it each, and then you can translate it, and you can understand whole sentence. And I want to introduce you, a lot of students make a similar mistake. Can you see here? Here's a common mistake students make only on adjective verb 고 stands for adjective verb 고, where A is the base form of an adjective and B is the base form of the verb. So when using adjectives and verbs, use their basic forms, means use their original adjective and verb. Here are some common mistakes. Example, can you see the first sentence? 저는 어제 운동하고 청소했어요. We're supposed to say 저는 어제 운동하고 청소했어요. But a lot of students make a similar mistake. 운동하고. Adjective verb 고 or adjective verb 지만 adjective verb we have to use the original adjective or verb. So here 운동하고 original verb is the 운동하다. So 운동하 and then 고, right? Not 운동해. There's no 해. 운동하고. Can you see the next sentence? 저는 오늘 커피를 마셔고 책을 읽었어요. 저는 오늘 커피를 마셔고 original verb is the 마시다. So we have to say 마시고, right? And next sentence. 내일 영화를 보고 친구를 만나요. Sounds weird. 영화를 보고 original verb is the 보다, to see. So 보다 고, how can you say? 보고, not 보고, right? So a lot of students, when they make a Korean sentences, they used to make a mistake like this. Let's practice about adjective verb 고. Can you see the first sentence? 내일 한국은 많이 춥고 눈이 옵니다. 내일 is a tomorrow. 한국은 Korea subject. 한국은 많이 추워요. The first sentence. And then second sentence. Tomorrow 한국은 subject. 눈이 옵니다. 눈이 와요 is snow. So there are two sentences. 내일 한국은 많이 추워요. Original adjective is 춥다. So 춥고 and then 눈이 옵니다. So the whole translation is tomorrow Korea will be very cold and it will snow like this. And next sentence. 태국은 날씨가 덥고 비가 자주 옵니다. 태국은 Thailand. 태국은 subject. 날씨가 더워요. First sentence. 날씨가 더워요. hot. and 비가 옵니다. 비가 옵니다. It rain. 자주 is adverb, is often. So it often rains. So 비가 자주 옵니다. So if you want to make it two sentences into one sentence, you can say 태국은 날씨가 덥다 plus 고. How can you say? 덥고 and 비가 자주 옵니다. So the whole translation is Thailand, the weather is hot and it often rains like this. And next sentence. 제주도 음식이 양이 많고 맛있어요. 제주도 음식, 제주 island's food, 제주도 음식이 양이 많고 양 is the amount. So the food amount is 많고. Original adjective is the 많다. So the food amount is a lot. 양이 많고 and 제주도 음식이 맛있어요. It's delicious. So the translation is Jeju Island food, the amount is a lot and it's delicious like this. And next sentence. 서울에 사람이 많고 지하철이 복잡해요. 서울에 사람이 많고 noun에 noun이가 있다 없다. Translation is there are, there is. And noun에 noun이가 많다. There are a lot of something. So you can say there are a lot of people in Seoul. 서울에 사람이 많아요. 많다고 you can say 많고 and 지하철이 복잡해요. 지하철 is a subway, metro. 복잡해요. Original adjective is the 복잡하다 means crowded. So the whole translation is there are a lot of people in Seoul and the subway is crowded like this. Next sentence. 한국 식혜가 달고 맛있어요. Korean 식혜. 식혜 is the Korean sweet rice punch. So 한국 식혜가 달고. 한국 식혜가 달아요. Original adjective is 달다 means sweet. So 달고 and then 한국 식혜가 맛있어요. It's delicious. And next sentence. 한국 화장품이 싸고 좋아요. 지금 세일해요. 한국 화장품, Korean cosmetic, 싸고 좋아요. 싸고, original adjective is the 싸다, cheap, and then 좋아요, 좋다. It's good, nice. So Korean cosmetic is cheap and good. And 지금 세일해요. 세일해요, original verb is the 세일하다 means on sale. So the whole translation is Korean cosmetic is cheap and good and it's on sale now like this. So how do you think about adjective verb 고? When you read Korean sentence, if it's too long, you can find adjective verb 고, adjective verb 지만 you can split it and then you can translate it each sentence. More easy. Adjective verb 고 and then adjective verb 지만, those grammar is belongs to the A1 level. If you don't study well adjective verb 고, adjective verb 지만, it will be very difficult when you study A2 level or B1 level. It will be very complicated. So please focus on adjective verb 지만, adjective verb 고. You can use it more properly. And everything's gonna be okay. Watching YouTube is very easy, but when you're trying to make your own sentence, it's very difficult. So review yourself. If you have any question, please leave me a comment. We will see in the next lesson. 안녕히 계세요.